guys, welcome back. Thank you to all my new subscribers. My Instagram has hit off the charts, except here on YouTube. Please share it there as well. Share it to everybody because it helps me out as an artist and it brings content to you, and then I'm able to make new things and get new products and that kind of stuff. So one of my largest posts on Instagram was this little guy. Okay, how to make this right here, and I did do it with my Desire markers, and if you haven't seen the tutorial on this or the review, check the other videos below and you will see it there. It's with the Mother's Day one, but I thought I will do this again in with the Copic markers, or those, because I love those. I will definitely be doing this again for you guys to see how I do it freehand, I guess, if you want to call that. But I thought I would share something digitally, and I wanted to do a review based on my Huion, and you guys know I've done a very thorough review on that, and I did kind of a quick sketch because I'm such a newbie to digital art, it's unreal. But I thought I would share my success, or my progress after a month of using this, and how the tablet works. So this is what it looks like. It is still hooked up because I use it all the time. It can be used as a mouse. It's like this, but you can have it turned like this if you are left-handed. Just keep in mind that your soft express keys will then be at the bottom, but it does look like this. Sorry, it's kind of dusty. Let's clean that off. Okay, so you have your express keys and your wheels here, and you can program these to anything that you want based on whichever digital art program that you use. I personally use Clip Studio Paint. I'm using the free version. Get it, try it out, it's amazing. In terms of my Huion, this is the Huion HS610, which comes in a box like this, and the wonderful people at Huion did send this to me, so thank you very much once again. Now I wanted to give you an update of how this is performing after a month of use. And it does come with these little guys. Again, if you want a full tutorial and everything, comes with this, which you can hook up to your Android devices of 6.0 operating system or higher, and you are able to draw on your tablets, your phones, and that kind of stuff. It still does not have an adapter for iPhones or for iPad Pros or anything like that, but I'm pretty sure that is in the works, but I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that, so I don't know necessarily. So the tablet, HS610 from Huion. What do I think of it? Right from the beginning review, as soon as I opened the package, I was in love. Is it still true the same right now? Absolutely. Go out and get this. It is available on Amazon. Back then when I did the video, I believe it was like $99.99. I believe it's, or $100, okay? I think it's the same price. I'm not too sure. Sorry if it's gone up, but there was a pre-sale on it and it was $20 off. So I'm hoping that you were able to get yours. If you did not, don't worry, you can order this at any time. Go directly to huion.com or go onto Amazon, and I'll leave the link below for the Canadian and the US if I can find it. And I'll put the link so that you're able to purchase your own. Yeah, what can I say? This is an awesome product. I have used the Wacom's before. Responsiveness is dead on. Still, sorry, still after a month of use, it is so responsive. This thing is beautiful. It is 8,192 pressure sensitivity. It is a wireless pen. It is comfortable in the hand. It feels beautiful. The nib is wonderful. It comes with extra nibs in here. It does just twist open. Again, watch my review if you want more details on that. But I just wanted to let you know, it hasn't failed me. I haven't had any problems ever on this. It hasn't skipped. It hasn't scratched. It hasn't... I'm trying to think of what people have been, like driver problems. There hasn't been any of that. I don't know. Like, I don't understand. I understand. Wacom was the first out to market, and there is a huge following behind them. But Huion is unreal. Like, they have, for me personally, they have made my art even better. So thank you for that, and thank you for allowing me to try this. In the first video, I did say that I did have problems with kind of getting my brain to look at the screen in front of you while you drew below, because it's basically like this. You get your pen and you're watching your screen as you're drawing in front of you. So it's a little bit getting used to, but once you get used to it, it's kind of natural. Like last night I woke up at 1 o'clock in the morning and I was like, I need to draw. And I just drew this picture, and I'll insert it here. And I am so happy with how it turned out, because I've been trying different ways of testing out with Clip Studio Paint, how to create glows and how to create like the underlying and screens, and it's all craziness. But the only way that you're going to learn is playing with it, and you have to constantly play with it. I've been using this, I would say, on and off every week, maybe twice a week, 3 times a week, not religiously, but last night is when I wanted to, trying to find the right words, is making me want to use it religiously now, because I was so excited with how it turned out. Unfortunately, because I was fooling around at 1 o'clock in the morning and I looked like everywhere, I did not film it. But I do have the original sketch that I did, so follow on my Instagram at KCatStarts if you haven't subscribed yet. But back to this video. I decided to do, like I said, this in the blue version, and I kind of used more blending. This one's more of a cartoony manga style. That eye that I did digitally, that you're going to see in a little bit in the speed paint, is done digitally and kind of manga style as well, but I used more blending techniques in it and airbrushing and all that kind of fun stuff. So if you like this video, please like it below, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. What else? Follow me on Instagram at KCatSart. And just thank you to everybody that has left me wonderful comments. I'm going to throw this in here now. I had a comment or a notification for a shout out to somebody. Unfortunately, when I went to go log into my Instagram, it kind of blacked out and I don't see that comment anymore, but I know it was a shout out for your birthday. So if you are watching this, happy birthday. And I'm sorry I didn't get your name. I know somebody wrote to me saying, hey, my shout out, question marks. I believe that's you, and if it is you, hi Ellie, thank you. But if it's not your birthday, anyways, hi Ellie, there's a shout out to you too. And thank you to everybody that has subscribed. Please watch for future videos, because there's a collaboration coming up. I actually have 4 collaborations coming up, which I'm super excited. My first collaboration is a really special milestone for me, for this channel, and this person has become a friend and somebody that I can definitely count on, and she's helped me a lot during my difficult time last month, and I'll get more into that when I actually do the collaboration. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Continue to watch the tutorial. Get your Huion today. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks guys for watching. Thank you for all your support once again. And I hope you liked the video. If you'd like to see any more videos, I will leave it again. KCats Arts on Instagram, or subscribe here and follow us on Instagram, like I said, and hit the notification bell so that you can see all the next videos that will be coming up. And yeah, thank you so much. And remember, one love, one life, and one purpose, and that's to share your art, your love for Jesus, your love for God, whatever you might do. And just thank you for everything and all your support. Thank you guys. Bye.